Hello to all and a very warm welcome in our first call where I'll be explaining you a little bit about way forward for our workshop as well as your bonus sessions. So very first thing I'll be covering you is you all have got two bonus sessions of 15 minutes each for PSYCH-K. Now if you would ask me what is PSYCH-K? PSYCH-K is a very gentle, safe, quick and effective technique to reprogram your subconscious mind. So basically during your psyche session, what I'll be doing is I'll be removing any kind of blocks that you have for any alternative healing therapy. Let it be highest frequency healing, let it be Reiki, Prana healing, Access, Lava Fera, anything, any modality. So the very first thing we'll be doing is we'll be removing your unconscious blocks, and as well as I will ensure that all this modality, any alternative healing modality, works optimum for you. Yes. Apart from that, now if you have, now few of you have reached out to me and have said that we have fear, we did certain attunement sometime and something happened, we ended up becoming over energetic and few things happen in our life. So such, so this is called as distress balance in psyche. I could be doing that for you. Basically you get two time of two balances. During that you can choose which one you want. Yes. Now if you want to know more about psyche, you can visit my website, and I'm just sharing you. So this is the page of my website. Here, this link I have shared in the group. So you can visit the link, and there all the details about psyche are written. It's very detailed. There's a small video by Dr. Bruce Lipton. It says rewrite your mind at the speed of 40 million bits per second, and it takes only 15 minutes. Yeah. And then in the FAQ section, a lot of things are covered. All right. So this you can see if you want to know more about psyche. Now what we will be using during the psyche, we will be using two postures. One is this. This is called as whole brain posture. Yeah. Now if you see here, this girl is sitting with her left leg below her right leg. So her right leg is over her left one, overlapping her left one at the ankle. And you can see her hands, her right hand is over her left hand, crossing at the wrist, and she has touched the palms and interlocked the fingers. So this is how you need to sit in the whole brain posture during the session. Yes, please go carefully with this image. I will also share this image in the WhatsApp group for your reference. Now, which hand to keep above, which how to keep below, which leg to keep above, which leg to keep over the another, that all I'll be guiding you during the session itself, because that is different for different people. All right. So this is the first posture. The second posture we will be using during psyche balances is this one. This is called as lock-in state. So this is nothing but simply you're touching your thumb as well as all the fingertips with each other. Only tips of all the fingers and the thumb with each other. That's it. Yeah. Now I'll be guiding you on how you can book your psyche session. So this is the link. This link I have shared in the group. You click on the link, such window will open which will say all services. You click on all services, then it will show the list of services. From this, there is one of psyche where it is 60 minutes time. You don't need to select that. No, please don't select that. You will end up blocking each and everyone else's time unnecessarily. So select, it says specifically psyche session for one goal or distress balance, and the time is 15 minutes. You click on this, you select the facilitator as Sushant Shah, you press continue, and then it will show you all the available time slots on each day. From here, you can select the dates, correct? So on whichever date, whichever is the time slot, it will show you. You can accordingly select your time slots and go ahead with booking. All right. Now, apart from that, I'm covering few questions that few of the participants had asked. One thing, what we need to follow before, after, or during the highest frequency healing practices. One is, if you refrain from eating non-veg, you refrain from drinking alcohol, refrain from smoking, eggs. Please refrain from all of this. Second thing, eat between the time period of sunrise to sunset. That is 7:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. This should be the time in between you should be eating. Once the sun sets, as far as possible, avoid eating. If you are someone who is having acidity or something, you can have some fruits, you can have light snacks, you can have fruit juices, but as far as possible you can, please avoid eating or having any kind of food in the nights after sunset and before sunrise. Now, few people have asked, is it mandatory? No, it's not mandatory to do this, but if you do this, you will see significant change in your energy level. You will see significant change in your receptiveness for receiving the energies of the attunement. You will also see significant change during the 11 to 21 days practice, whichever you choose to do, of highest frequency healing. You will see some changes in your overall energy level, how you feel during throughout the day, how you operate, how your healing works on others, everything, even your mental, emotional, and physical state, the happiness quotient. You will see significant changes on all of this if you follow these things. Yeah. A few things have, a few people have asked in the group that, is it necessary or mandatory to book for this PSYCH-K session before the workshop? No, it's not mandatory. Basically, what I'm doing is I'm removing any unconscious blocks from learning any modality. Basically, when you do the PSYCH-K, when you learn the highest frequency healing on Sunday, and even if you do the session after that, so you can remove block for any modality that you have learned. And once you are attuned to highest frequency healing, you are attuned to it permanently. Okay. So you can do it before, you can do it after. However, I would highly recommend you book your sessions ASAP. You book your session as soon as possible to gain the benefits, because these will not only work on highest frequency healing, but these will work on all all the modalities that you have learned. Okay. So with this, I have covered most of the part. One important thing I would like to say before I end the call is that we have our workshop scheduled on 14th June 2020, 1:30 p.m. to 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time, that is IST. Any one of you who is not able to join on that time, in the group I'll be posting two messages. One with, to include your name in the list if you can attend, and second message is, include your name in the list that you cannot attend. So please include your name in the appropriate message and post it in the WhatsApp group. I will connect with you accordingly after the first workshop, and mutually decide, we all will mutually decide the date for the second workshop. Yeah, I hope I have clarified all of your doubts, and thank you. Just to make this call shorter, I'm recording it again instead of putting the entire group call session, which would have been too much lengthy and disturbing to many as well. All right, thank you. Thank you very much. Please listen to it, book your PSYCH-K session, and if you have any further queries, please post it in the group. Thank you.